Hi guys, welcome to this really cute little village right above Bagnone in the region of the Lunigiana. We're going to be seeing this artist's home. It's full of fabulous features, beautiful art, and I think you're going to want to stick around to see this beauty. With William today, and we're in a very cute village. I want you to tell us a little bit about where we are.
We are in Canale. We are only 10 minutes from Bagnone Council in the center.
And Bagnone is a beautiful city.
One of the most beautiful places
it
in
has
Lunigiana.
It has a waterfall in the middle of it.
Yes, exactly. We have this beautiful stone house, completely restored with so much taste. 3-bedroom and 3-bathroom.
Wow.
For 450,000 euro.
I'm sold. The view is incredible. It can almost touch the mountains, which is very cool. It's such a cute village. It's like really cute here and quiet.
Yeah, quiet.
And tranquil.
Yeah.
All right, we'll lead the way and
Please.
we'll come in. Oh, this is very lovely. Oh, wow, what a pretty house. Yeah, this is really cool. Yeah, super cool. Very artistic.
All these things is created by the owner. All.
Amazing.
All you can see inside is from
Does
the
he
owner.
live here alone or is he married? Let's just figure out this
He's
step.
married, but lived 6 months about in
Alone.
Bagnone. Yeah.
I like it. Okay. Wow, this is very pretty. Very cool. I love the furnishings.
This is an old stable.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Completely restored.
The cows
The
lived
cow.
here.
Yeah.
Very cool. Hello.
Sorry.
It's okay. You're fired. All right. Carry on. I'm just joking, you guys.
Yeah.
Jeez. You know, everybody's going to give me shit about that for sure.
Please, we have a beautiful kitchen here.
This is cool. Oh yeah, love this kitchen. Wow, this is fantastic. Wow, he's got great taste. I was talking to the owner earlier. He lived all over the world.
Yeah.
He speaks like killer English. And I was like, how do you speak such great English? He lived everywhere, Africa.
Yeah.
He's got some Asian-inspired
Yes.
things. Yeah. This is really cool. I wouldn't change a thing. This is very groovy. Everything, the kitchen stays?
Yes, of course.
Well, not yes, of course. Sometimes the kitchen goes in Italy.
Nah, this
Let's
is
talk
a-
about that a little bit, though. In Italy, the kitchen is furniture considered.
Yeah. But
So
no,
you
the kitchen usually is included in the price in Italy.
But it's furniture. They could take it
Yeah.
if they wanted to.
Yeah, but usually the kitchen and the bathroom stay on the price.
Okay, but you could take it with you.
Yes.
If you wanted
If
to.
you want, yes.
Not if you're working with them because you say you have to leave the kitchen. But a lot of times it's all, this is built in, but a lot of times
It's
it's,
built
all
on the
furniture.
place, yes,
Yeah, exactly.
exactly.
And this is Carrara marble.
Exactly.
These are really fun, Italian, sort of
Yeah.
oldie-timey.
Old style.
I mean, he's got great lighting. He's got great taste. Is he a good cook?
I don't know.
Well, we need to ask him.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have one bathroom at this floor,
Very nice.
with a shower and stone.
Oh, wow, yeah. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow, this is a really pretty bathroom, you guys. I don't know about the yellow, but it's very pretty. But that's just me. I mean, some people love yellow. I like yellow. I don't know about the walls yellow, because I always feel like in a bathroom you look very yellow.
And the heating is on the floor.
But he doesn't care. He's not putting makeup on anyway.
The heating is on the floor.
The heat, so it's underfloor heating.
Yes.
Very cool.
Yes.
How much is this house again?
450 negotiable.
And how many square feet is it, or square
About
meters?
200 square meter.
Yeah, so 2,000 square feet.
Plus the cellar
Right,
and the garden.
right. What is this?
This is an old storage.
So there's plenty of storage.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, there's a lot of storage
Yeah.
here. Very chic house, very chic. What's his story again? Hey, have you got a really cool house in Lunigiana that you'd like featured on one of our videos? Go ahead and get a hold of Steven in the link below and we'll see you at your house. kind of sexy. I like this. Oh, this is neat with the lights going up the stairs. I like the attention to detail. A little bit of killer stairs, but you just have to get used to them.
This is the first bedroom.
This is great. I like all the Asian influence that he has going on. I like this. It's really cool. I like the doors a little bit high, which is nice. I love your house. You have really good taste.
Yeah, we spend a lot of time and a lot of money inside this house.
It's beautiful. Yeah, I love these rugs it's very my taste. I love all this too. I like to go to Morocco and buy things, and yeah, so I love that. Like all the finishes, like the fireplace is killer.
This was the original tiles in front of the fireplace.
So good. It's so good. This is great. This is so cool. I love this house. This is a super house. So you're going to take everything out of this house. You're not going to leave the furnishings, or you'll leave
the furniture. I'm going to leave. Of course, maybe the carpets, no, but the furniture,
right.
Yes.
I say yes.
Yeah, most of things are coming from India.
Yeah, this has been done so beautifully. Such quality, such great taste. All you have to do is move in. So yes, I mean, you don't have to renovate anything. You don't have to do a thing. It's a beautiful little hideaway, really. Wow, the view is beautiful. This house is very cool. This bathroom is really sexy, man. This is great. Look at this bathroom. This is a really good bathroom. I love this. This is great. So you live here 6 months out of the year?
I spend maybe 6-7 months per year here.
Where's your wife?
Is in Milano. She's still working, and so...
Oh, this is so great. This is great. Beautiful. This is so cool. I love that where you just attach that piece there. This is very cool. Are you going to be okay, like without this space? What are you going to do if you sell it?
I don't know. We're looking to go in Sardinia.
I'm with you on that.
Okay.
Let's keep in touch, okay?
Okay.
I love Sardinia. It's so beautiful. I can see how your aesthetic, you would like Sardinia.
Yeah.
So we have a similar aesthetic because I like all these ethnic sort of things.
Okay.
And it has that vibe there where it's like very like rough and ready and just a little bit African and a little bit, right? And the water is crazy.
The water is fantastic.
It's insane. I've never seen water like that in my life. Great. All right, back to the house. This is great.
Yeah, very nice location.
This is beautiful. Wow. This is great.
This garden with the cellar underneath and the other pieces of garden below.
Garden below.
Yes, because it's a terrace garden.
Oh, there's an outdoor kitchen. William, you're being silent. You have to show me the outdoor
Yes,
kitchen because I'm a
please.
chef. Come on.
Not oven pizza, but barbecue.
Oh, this is cool. This is great.
Yeah.
You have very good taste. This is just good to have in general.
This was inside the house.
This
At
was,
the
oh, so you
entrance,
repurposed
yes.
this.
Yeah, it was put here, yes.
I love that you have this attention to detail because this is quite nice. I need one of these. This is pretty. Take a picture of that. I want that one. That's very cool. Goes with my house perfectly. So you're a painter?
No, I am a geologist.
Yes,
we
yes.
opened a very little mineralogical museum.
Oh, really?
Yeah, nice,
Oh, that's
nice.
cool.
We opened 1 month ago.
Oh, really? And this is one of your pieces?
Yes.
I love it. It almost looks like American folk art. Oh, this is great.
Yeah.
Huge storage. Oh my gosh.
Some sample that I have to bring in the museum.
Oh, wow.
This is sulfur.
Okay.
This is quartz and other minerals in the granite.
It's good juju here. There you go. Okay.
Yeah.
So you're doing a geology museum?
Yes. Yeah.
All these things are cool. And then the mechanical room is back there.
This is like a storage and for
Like
fridge.
a cellar.
Right.
There's wine and things like
Right.
and stones, a lot of stones. So
So you're a rock guy.
yeah, yes.
Get it?
Yeah. And these are some of the job. Well, this is one. Look at this.
I like your art. I think it's cool.
Yeah, with the pieces of
I think
agricultural
they're really
tools.
nice.
Very strange.
It's not strange. I think they're really cool. They're very folk arty. And you repurpose
I
things,
collect these iron things, and then I think what I can do, no? And then.
I love that, and that's cool
Yeah,
too.
that's another one. Yes.
I like your artwork. You should do an art show. Killer house. I mean, this house is so fantastic. I don't even know what to say. I mean, I think someone very cool needs to buy this house because this is a very cool house. It really is. And the owner is very cool. You know how I feel about owners. Sometimes I don't like them along, but this guy's, he's groovy. He's lived all over the world. You know, I mean, he's a very educated, groovy guy. So the house is available with William. So look below. And you can email William and he will sell you this house. If you've gotten this far, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you at the next location. Bye.